Hi there, and thanks for joining me on the course. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over the structure of the lectures. So the first section includes this intro and then some brief words about my approach to trading and my trading philosophy. In section 2, we'll look at the preparation that has gone into creating the trading systems, and this will include what tools I'll be using and a detailed list of backtesting mistakes that need to be avoided. In section 3, I'll take a look at the AmiBroker backtest template that we'll be using, and I'll explain some of its key features so that you can use the template for your own trading ideas. In section 4, we get into the meat of the course, and this is where I go over 6 trading systems in detail and explain how each one works. I then show some individual trade examples and replay the recorded AmiBroker backtests so that you can see the results. In section 5, I'll go over some next steps, including how to improve a trading system and some final tips for improving trading performance. One of these steps, if you don't know it already, has the potential to really improve your system trading, I think. Lastly, in section 6, you'll find some additional resources, downloadable code, and recommended reading. So that's the structure of the course. Let's get stuck in.